sweet. Swimming in the pond so neat. Waddling on the shore, a happy sight. Playing with his friends from morning till night. Duckling Delight, a joyful sound. Quacking and splashing all around. Little feet pattering, feathers so bright. A perfect day filled with sunshine and light. Diving for bugs, a tasty treat. With his mother's love so complete. Learning to fly, soaring high. A little duckling reaching for the sky. Duckling Delight, a joyful sound. Quacking and splashing all around. Little feet pattering, feathers so bright. A perfect day filled with sunshine and light. Duckling Delight, a joyful sound. Quacking and splashing all around. Little feet pattering, feathers so bright. A perfect day filled with sunshine and light. Diving for bugs, a sneaky treat. With his mother's love so complete. Learning to fly, soaring high. A little duckling reaching for the sky. Duckling Delight, a tasty treat. With his mother's love so complete. Learning to fly, soaring high. A little duckling reaching for the sky. Let's follow the duckling, a fun and adventure through the meadows and fields. A sweet surrender, watching nature's beauty. A wonderful sight, with the duckling's joy shining so bright. Duckling Delight.